A leader is one who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. Blessed Anne Marie was born on 10th November 1779. She was the fifth child to be born, but the second to survive. She was a born leader and guide. Even though she was so vivacious and all enjoyed her presence, she renounced the worldly pleasures and on 12th May 1807 embraced her religious life along with other sisters and started her mission in full vigor to teach, to heal, to feel and to feel. Anne Marie was called to serve others, to be a partner and co-worker with God in the great and beautiful task of molding the young and growing minds. She was entrusted to take care of the least, lost and the last. She knew she was called to bring the light of knowledge, dispelling the darkness of ignorance and doubt, as she accompanied them on their journey of discovery. Education has an important place in Anne Marie's work. Even before she became a religious, she taught the village children, opened schools in the neighboring villages. Her goal was to give them basic education and to introduce them to a trade so that the young people will be able to live honestly. Above all, educate their heart, develop their hidden talents, and promote the whole person in all his dimensions. Anne Marie says, bring up the children well. Love them, they will love you and will do what you want. Teach them to be simple and hardworking. Anne Marie symbolizes and stands for glowing lamps. She was a skilled potter, molding and forming the tender young minds and hearts entrusted by God to her care. A devoted gardener, tending and nurturing the budding plants in her garden patch and to help them to bloom and blossom. God was challenging her to dare to be different, to strive to be a kind of sister who is characterized by integrity, commitment, dedication, availability, and various other qualities. She was a communicator of values of honesty, integrity, kindness, compassion, patience, care, hard work, impassion, and so on. Anne Marie knew value education influences all aspects of a person's growth and development, thoughts, ideas, beliefs, attitudes, interests, emotions, personality, and character. This is the only reason for us to connect every chapter to value-based lessons. Values cannot be taught, they must be caught. This explains why parents, teachers and elders have such a vital role to play in the inculcation of values by the model and example of their own lives and their conduct. Mahatma Gandhi once said, I have found that children imbibe more from the teachers' own lives than they do from the books that they read to them or the lectures they deliver to them with their lips. So let us communicate values by the examples of our own lives, which are the greatest teacher than any other books. May God hold each of you in the hollow of His hand as you grow in His knowledge and love. Strive to promote His kingdom of justice, peace and love in school, at home and everywhere. May CLUNY students ever be a credit to India and their alma mater wherever they go. Wish you all happy feast day of our Mother Foundress, Blessed Anne Marie. God bless you all.